Hi, this is Scott. This is part 3 of my dirt bike ride. Actually, it's kind of lame because it's on a dirt road, not a dirt path, but it's the first ride of the season. Just get my feet wet. Wanted to give you a tour of how beautiful it is here. I'm recording. It's Friday, April 17th. I had an awesome day today. I have no idea. I think that I'm way too close to the camera here. And I just wanted to take you on a few-minute ride down Warm Springs Road here in Sun Valley, Idaho, and show you how beautiful it is here. So just go for a ride with me, and hopefully you can appreciate the beauty. Take care, and thanks for following me and watching all my my live broadcasts. Take care. Bye-bye. So I'm just turning the camera around so you're not looking at my ugly mug for a good portion of it, and we are set to the furthest out, and I'm just going to record for, I don't know, we're at a minute. I'll stop at, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'll sign off. So not much else to say. I'll try to commentate a little bit. Really curious, pretty bumpy here, how well this records. Bumpy and muddy, so I'm not quite ready for real dirt biking quite yet. So beautiful out here though. Look at that creek. Not much traffic here usually. I just don't think the angle of this thing gets a wide enough angle lens to capture what my eye is seeing. You just see the road, but I mean, there's a beautiful creek to the right. I'm just going to turn it the camera because I think you're going to do better off looking there. So, wow, this could be muddy. So, again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in and watching all these videos and stuff. Let me know what I can do to make this worth your while. I know you guys have a lot of other things you can be watching and doing. So hopefully I can keep you entertained, and maybe you'll buy a jacket. I don't know. Or two. I'll do this every so often so you can get a sense for how the leaves are coming in, and you know, this is how I spend my afternoons in the summertime, or on my larger bike. I like this one a lot better. So I'm going to try and find a picturesque spot and then turn around and enjoy my ride back. imagine this place in the fall. It's unbelievable when all the leaves change. Alright, I'm getting to a point where I'm going to turn around and sign off. Whoa, it's cold. I can find a really pretty spot to end with. Almost have to do. Okay, this is pretty. Move out of the blind spot. So let me take the camera off. Sorry for the twist. Put the bike aside for a second, show you the bike, and put the camera away and drive safely home. So bear with me. So this is a motorcycle. It's just a small little bike. It's a, I don't even know, Kawasaki, or it's a Yamaha 250. Perfect for out here. And this is just beautiful Sun Valley. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.